What's the feeling there in the company? I can only imagine what it would be to be working there day after day. What's it feel like to be taking on the giant?
It's good response. Well, a little bit of a history of the company where we started.
Yeah.
So we started as a service company that was associated with an open source solution. It was called Piwik. Now it's called Matomo. It has been rebranded. So first we started to contribute to this project. Our founder started to contribute and then our developers as well. But at some point we decided that an additional value is needed based on the requests from customers. So we developed an independent implementer, basic suite of products. Then after some time, we started to shift fully towards a proprietary platform, mainly because most of our customers had huge problems with processing data. So naturally, we started to look for optimal solutions to these problems. It's actually an interesting journey because we had to transition from a portfolio of customers that were using this open source component to the Piwik PRO analytics suite. So as a business, this was an amazing journey for us and for our customers as well, because, you face this opposition because with any change comes the opposition. And then once they moved, once they migrated to the new platform, they were amazed with simple things at first, with, the processing time, with the user interface that was expressed, the ways they could extract their data that was not available for them before. So that itself was a hugely interesting factor to the business. And so then in 2022, we released the freemium model. So we didn't want to limit ourselves only to the enterprise and medium level customers. We wanted to go broader because for companies like us, brand recognition means a lot. So we had finally product that we felt was on par with Google Analytics when it comes to features. Obviously, there were some differences, but when it comes to the key components and key use cases, we felt that we are ready to say that we are on par with Google, with the universal analytics. And because Google Analytics 4 is a kind of different story. So with release of freemium, we gain thousands of customers that are not paying us anything, but they are spreading good word. Some of the companies are testing our solution for premium and then coming to us to purchase enterprise version. What's interesting to state is that the premium version is equivalent to the enterprise with the exception of data retention, but feature-wise, it's the same product. So we don't have any limitations like, you can click only one report per day and then you have to go enterprise. No, that's not a gimmick. That's a truly free product. Simply because we make quite a bit of money from the enterprise.
Mhm.
So that premium part is for us to build threat awareness, and it did amazing. We have over 10,000 users right now. 90% of our customers are not paying us.